Hey, it's your Haitian cousin Kadoh, and qui est-ce qui maman? Qui est-ce qui maman? Who is your mother? Today, we are learning about family dynamics. So let's just start right away. Mama, mama, that means mom. Papa, papa means dad. Tonton means uncle. Matan means auntie. Cousin, that means male cousin. Cousine, female cousin. Parent means godfather, and marin means godmother. Marin means godmother. Petit can mean small children. Timoun means kid. Ça c'est timoun mwen. This is my kid. Ça c'est timoun mwen. Frère means brother. Frère mwen, that means my brother. Sem mwen. Sem, that means my sister. Se means sister. Gun means my grandmother. Gun su ma mom means the grandmother on my mom's side. Gun su papa means the grandmother on my dad's side. Grandpapa, can't forget that. Grandfather, grandpapa. Same thing, grandpapa su bo ma mom, grandpapa su bo papam. The grandfather on my mom's side, the grandfather on my dad's side. Grandpapa. Neveu, that means nephew. Niece, that means niece. Now let's talk about friends. Zami. Ça c'est zamim. Zami means friends. Ça c'est zamim means that's my friends. Now let's get into titles at work. Doctor. You guys should know what this means already. Doctor. I got another one for you guys. Ingénieur. Avocat. Ça c'est avocat. Ça c'est avocat mwen. That's my lawyer. Avocat means lawyer in Haitian Creole. Professeur. That's how you say teacher in Haitian Creole. Professeur. Élève. Ou c'est un élève dans classe mwen. Élève means student in Haitian Creole. Élève. Police means police in Haitian Creole. Juge, that means judge in Haitian Creole. Juge. So the next time you run into somebody and you want to know what type of job they have, just ask them, qui qualité travail ou fait? What type of work do you do? What type of work are you into? Qui qualité travail ou fait? Électricien. Somebody who is an electrician. Électricien. That's how you say electrician in Haitian Creole. Électricien. Moi, c'est un électricien. I am an electrician. Make that money, honey. Mécanicien. Come on, guys. You should be able to guess this already. That means mechanic in Haitian Creole. I hope you don't feel overwhelmed by all the words that we learned today, but we're building. I want you to be fluent before the end of the year. So if you feel like you need one-on-one coaching, you need me to guide you a little bit, go ahead and sign up. I'm here. It's your Haitian cousin Kadoh, and bye.